Welcome students. So today we are going to start our next class for probability, okay, the continuation class. So now we will go for which one? Conditional probability, okay. So conditional probability. So I hope in last class you have seen the formula how to do, clear? One problem you have solved also. So let's see today a new question. If two coin are tossed, if two coins are tossed, find the probability, find the probability. So what is the probability? Tails appears at one coin. Find the probability for tail appears at one coin. Tail appears in one coin when one coin shows head. Why? One coin shows head. So what is the question? If two coins are tossed, find the probability for tail appears in one coin. That is two conditions they given. First condition this one, you can condition this one is for A, and the second one you can condition for B. So there is two condition is there. The condition probability of A when B is already occurred. Okay, that formula we are going to use. Now, as we know that there is given two coins are tossed. That means when two coins are tossed, you know what is the sample space? Yes, what is the sample space? The sample space is head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So total number is 4. The sample space total number is 4, you know already, clear? Now let A is the, what is the probability tail appears at one coin. So let A is the probability for tail appears at one point. This is A is the event. So what is the condition that tail appears in one coin, tail appears in one coin? There see that there is only one tail is there. This is the these two. That means HT and TH. In these two case, tail appears as one coin, clear? Next, your second condition given while one coin shows head. Now only one coin, that means when two times you have tossed, this means any one showing head. Which one? This one or this one? Same again, HT and TH. So B is the probability event for one head. The second one I can consider as a B. So you are having HT and TH. Clear? Now we need the formula. That is in formula we have saw A intersect B. That means A intersect B. That means any common thing is there or not. You can see directly here if there is anything common. Yes, these two are, this one and this one is same. This one and this one is same. So this value also 2. Clear? Now we want to find probability. What is the probability of A? The probability of A is 2 divided by sample space, total number 2 by 4. It is 1 by 2. Again, there probability of B, this one also 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now probability of A intersect B, you can find A intersect B, that value is 2 by 4. By cutting you will get 1 by 2. Now what is our formula? Sometimes they are asking formula, okay. So what is the question? P A by B, or probability of the events A when event B is already occurred. What is the formula? P of A intersect B by P of B is the formula. Now what is the P of A intersect B value? How much? 1 by 2. What is the value probability of this one? That one also 1 by 2. Cut, your answer is 1. Clear? So these are the question, simple question I am showing you how to solve. Clear? Copy it. Now I can wrap. So next see the another question little bit in different way, the same formula type we will use, but here you have to understand which is your first event or second event. Clear? Now let's see our second question based on same types of formula. So what is given there? A black and a red die are rolled. A black and a red die dice are rolled. Okay, there is two dice are there. One color given black, another color given red. Then find the probability. Find the probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that black die resultant in 5. Okay, so this is also another question, conditional probability. So two dice are there, a black and a red die are rolled. Then what is your probability that you will get? Always you will get more than how much? The sum, the two sum you will get how much? More than 9. Whereas it is given that the black one should always be 5. Clear? So we know the sample space how much? We know when two dice are rolled, there is 36 square. I told you the sample space is 36. Clear? You already know, you need to learn that one sample space. Now let A be the event. Again A be the event. Let A be the event for obtaining a sum greater than 9. A be the event for obtaining a sum greater than 9. So you know which two number if you add you will get 9. Yes, from 2,6, 8, no, it's not possible. So 3 possible, 3,6. Next come to 4, 4,5. Then 4,6. Yes. Then 5,4, 5,5. Clear? So sorry. So see that 4,5,5. Then 5,6, then 6,3, 6,4, 6,5 and 6,6. So these are exactly 9 or more than 9. But the question they told greater than 9. That means I should not consider 9. That means this one will not be there. 3,6 is 9, will not be there. 4,5 also will not be there. Clear? 5,4 also will not be there. Same to same. 6,3 also will not be there. So what is the condition? That means it should greater than 9 means it 10 possible, 11 possible, 12 possible. So what is there? 4,6, 5,5. These are the possible. So what is the number? There is 6. Now let B be the events where which one? Black is always 5. That means first one is 5. Next one another number. So what is the possible here? 5,1, 5,2, 5,3, 5,4 and 5,5 and 5,6. So these are the events where the black is always, the first one is black, next one is red. So black is always 5. So here what is the total? There also 6. Now what is A intersect B? That means common in there. Can you see? You can see directly the first one 5,5 and 5,6. 5,5, 5,6. There is two numbers which are common. Clear? Now again we will go for this one. So what is your P of A, probability of A? that means 6 divided by 36, you will get 1 by 6. Probability of B, same to same, there also 6, in event B there is 6, so 6 by 36, you will get 1 by 6, and probability of A intersect B. What is their probability of intersect B? There is 2, that means 2 divided by 36, you will get 1 by 18. Now use the formula. What is the formula? The formula is probability of A by B equal to probability of A intersect B divided by probability of B. That means 1 by 18 divided by probability of B, how much? 1 by 6. This one you can cut 3, so answer is 1 by 3. So these are the simple question, 2 mark, 3 marks is possible to come. So in this way you can do for conditional probability. Clear? So next we will see how we are having another independent one. Clear? See now independent case. If A and B are independent, there are two independent events. That means A doesn't depend on B and B also is the event which doesn't depend upon A. So in that case your formula is P of A intersect B is P of A into P of B. The formula is P of A into P of B. Clear? So in case of independent event, on event case, your P of A intersect B will be P of A into P of B. So now I will show some formulas which one you need to know. Okay, that means one question came there, why you need to find A union B, what is the meaning, what you should find. Then somebody asked me to clear the doubt. Okay, so there first one is P of A or B. When your questions will come, the condition A or B, that means what is the possibility of, I think one sum we have done 9 or 11. Whenever you want or, then you have to find the two cases or one. Your formula means you have to find out P of A union B. Okay, that means you have to find P of A union B. That means when or will mention there, this one or that one. That means king also or queen. What is the probability of king or queen? Next, if it is A and B, that means from the both cases they are independent to each other, you have to find for A and B, that means you have to find P of A intersect B. Clear? Next, now another new things I will tell you. If your P of A is one event, we know that probability maximum how much? 1. 1 is the maximum value. How will you find not event? Not medium is not A. That means you have to do 1 minus P of A, or sometimes this one they used to write P of like this also in your book written. Clear? So these two are same things. How will you find P of A bar or P of AC? Clear? Now what is the probability of A, P probability of A or not B? That means if they ask you condition A, okay, but for B it is not. That means same formula or will be there, but here you will give. Clear? Now next, if they ask not A or neither A or neither B, that means you have to find probability of A. Clear? So this one same to same you can find directly. If you once you can find this one, there is a relation between them. These two I told this one is plus. That means you can find P of not A not B, you can find 1 minus P of A union B, because the maximum probability is what? 1. Same to same you can find 1 minus probability of A. Clear? So these are the formula we are going to use. So one student they asked me why should we use A union B. Whenever then question or will ask, we will use this formula. That previous we have learned the formula. Clear? By using this we will find out the formula. Let's see some numericals now. Let's see some numericals now. Now more interesting numerical will come. Let's see. Let's see some important numerical. If small one. If they given P of A given, they gave you P of A 1 by 2, P of B given 1 by 3, and they given P of A union B, they gave 2 by 3, where they mention A and B are independent, A and B independent, they are not dependent on agent, they are independent case. So which formula will you use now? You know P of A, you know P of B, you know P of A union B. They are asking, show that these two are independent. Clear? Show that these two are independent, they are asking to show. Okay? So, how will you do? In case of independent, what is our formula? In case of independent, our formula is P of A intersect B is what is? P of A into P of B. Is it clear? So, if we can prove this formula is correct, that means we can tell that P and A and B are independent event. Let's see how we will able to find out. Now, what is the condition for P of A intersect? We have the formula P of A union B. What is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. Clear? This is the formula we have done before. Let's see from here. Do you know this value? This value given 2 by 3. Do you know this value? 1 by 2. This value 1 by 3. And this one we need to find out. Now, bring this one this side, or this one bring this one bring this side. Therefore, P of A, what is the value? We can LCM 6. 3 is on the 3 on the 2, that means 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3, we can find out 6, 4, 1 by 6. Now see, this value is how much? 1 by 6 we got here. Now if you use this formula, P of A into P of B, what is the answer? P of A value is 1 by 2. So that means this answer, right hand side and left hand side is same. That means what? A and B are the two independent event. Clear? So next more interesting questions I am going to see now. Okay. Now let's see another questions. The question they ask, question you have box. In a box you have 5 red ball you are having, suppose 6 blue color ball, then 3 white ball, okay, or 4 green ball, correct? So these are the color of the ball is mentioned here. In a box you are having 5 red ball, there is no replacement. Once we take one ball, we will not replace here more, correct? Remember, they are having 5 red ball, 6 black or blue ball, 3 white ball or 4 green ball. So if they ask you what is the probability of getting first one red, probability of getting red, blue, green. If they ask you find out the probability of getting order they given, first one you will get red, then you will get how much? Blue, then green, then white. What is the probability? Then how we are going to find out? Now let's see the total number of ball, how many is there? You can see here 6 plus 4, 10, 13, 18. So total 18 balls are there. Clear? So first we will find out the probability of how much? Probability of red. Probability of red. So if you take out red ball, so total how many balls are there? Total 18 balls are there. Out of 18 ball, how many red is there? So red will come from red only. It will not come from blue or it will not come from green. It will come from the red. So how many balls are there? 5. So your probability will be 5 by 18. Clear? Now one ball you already taken out. Now how many ball remain? How many ball remain? Now there remain 17 ball. So next is blue. So now if your probability of getting blue, now how many total balls are there now? 17 balls are there. Out of the 17 ball, how many blue? 6 balls are blue. Clear? Next, again if you take out one ball, how many ball remain now? Now 16 ball remain. So out of 16, which ball you are going to take? You are going to take green. So green, how many is there? 4. So your answer will be 4 by 16. Now again you took out one ball, how many ball remain? 15 ball remain there. Out of this 15 ball, which ball is white? How many ball are white? 3. So 3 balls are white. After cutting, you will get the answer 1 by 3 into 17 into 12, or sorry 4. So your answer will be yes 1 by 4. So the probability will be 1 by 204, correct. In this way, in independent way, because they are not dependent on each other, clear. The total number okay, but they are, when you are going to draw one ball from there, so they are not dependent on each other, clear. So this is, in this way you are going to find out the independent events, clear. So in next class I will show you more questions, more important on excited questions, how we are going to solve.